Hello my children, today let's together with the farmer to find out the baby animal which lose weight. My baby goat, where are you? Hoo, hoo, hoo.
Oh no!
I will have the mother goat to look for the baby goat. Ah, here is the baby goat. Let's come back home.
I love you, Mommy.
Look, the goats are grazing grass. My kitten, where are you? Hoo, hoo, hoo. I will have the mother's cats to look for the kitten. Ah, here is a kitten. Let's come back home.
I love you, Mommy.
Look, the kitten is playing with the rope. My puppy, where are you? I will help the mother's dog to find out the puppy. Ah, here is a puppy. Let's come back home.
I love you, Mommy.
Two puppies are playing together funny. My gosling, where are you? Hoo 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 hoo. I will look for the gosling to help the mother goose. Ah, here is a gosling. Let's come back home.
I love you, Mommy.
Look, the geese are swimming. My chicken, where are you? Hoo 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 hoo. I will have the hen to find out the chick which lose weight. Ah, here is a chick. Let's come back home.
I love you, Mommy.
Look, the hen is leading the chick to looking for lots of food. Hey, the family animal reunion. Goodbye and see you later on the following video.